Yep, she is here. That's Lady Ama. And ufunde a lesson that everyone learns at some stage. The internet never forgets. If you said something and it goes on the net, uzoyizwa in 10, 15, 20 years time. Unjantas. Wow, we're amazing, man. Shout out to you for making time to be with us on the show today. And like ithanda into one kakhulu namhlanje. Ukuthi you said yes to the interview and you said yes to the mix coming through at 1740 as well namhlanje. Yeah. For that we got to show you love. So, everyone knows Ukuthi you're from a famous household, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, Untando Duma's a sister, what, but now you've like in your own right have become this amazing DJ, musician, and entrepreneur. But looking back in time, now paint a picture for us. What was the family household like back as a child?
I come from a family, a loving family.
Yeah.
We love each other.
Yeah.
But bekungekho yabona beku besingahlupheki kodwa besingekho right.
Sure.
But nje there's so much love in my family, and yeah, I come from a loving family. That's just about it.
So if you had to ask your parents ukuthi lona ebe umntana onjani bebezothini?
Othulayo othanda nokukhala.
And it's changed now. I'm kidding.
No.
Uyakhala lo muntu manje space.
Hi Lady Ama, how are you doing? Nkuli here.
Hi Nkule, ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Unaves was just teasing me ukuthi uthi Nkule and it's Nkuli. Uthamazulu wonke belathi nje le.
Yazi ngize ngabuza ngathi ngicela ngenzile ivoice note ukuthi isho kanjani.
It's his fault. You're blaming names. No,
this is the ultimate prankster. Even after umhlaka 1 April, siphila naye. Qhubeka Nkuli.
Alrighty. Now, I want to know, ma'am, you were pushing the 9 to 5. Something must have clicked, maybe your passion for music. But what was going through your mind when you left your day job to pursue DJing full time?
Okay, mina umculo is within me.
Yeah.
Yabo. And when I was still a verification officer then, I went to my boss and I told him, my brother, ngicela ukresign.
Yeah.
And I had no plan. I had no plan whatsoever. But the boss was just like, "Yini le ufuna ukuyiphesua lenga ngathi ikhona. Just give me a chance to go pursue it." Wathi ayike, if you say so yourself, you can go. And I went on the internet and I searched. I went to my sister and said, I think I don't want to work at the office anymore.
Yeah.
And she's like, okay, do what you want to do. Let's do the research. And the first thing, mang search on the internet, kwavela isikolo sa DJ Zindle.
Yeah.
And I didn't look back. Ngavele nga register. Yes. Yeah.
Wow. Very quickly before Naves angene embuzweni yakhe. Verification officer, please tell me ukuthi yini le, because I'm thinking ukuthi it's one of two things. Your color is authorized or it's license certified documents.
Okay,
so
Mina, I was dealing. Okay, we were dealing with PEE certificates, the tax clearances. I was doing all that.
We commissioner of oaths.
Yeah, Boba.
Listen, you've been in the industry and you've made a name for yourself.
Yeah.
What has been the toughest thing you've experienced in the industry?
Toughest? I angifuna uqamba manga. Yiko nje ukuya ngeke ngadlala amanye amahash.
Yeah.
One day. And that for me, because angijwayelanga musukudlala amahash, and that for me was the toughest thing ever. Yeah. So that is the only thing I think.
I think it becomes important then, because a lot of people will just like join the bandwagon naming from about DJ, but the importance then of ukungadlali amahashi when you do get the opportunity, right?
Yes.
Shout out to you for being with us today once again. It is a spectacular DJ Naves and Nkuli Mbatha, and we're going to continue, man, just finding out some more about somebody that's well on their way of being Ingalabuto. You know what that is? A legend. That's what it is. On her way. I want to ask you this. Like, you touched on it briefly, explaining to us how you actually became a DJ, ne?
Yes.
So with that, how much of an influence or inspiration was Usiswako ke Untando Duma ku career yako as a whole?
Okay. We dlalile indima, I won't lie.
Yeah.
But bekangifundisa ukuthi ngikwazi ukuzimela on my own.
Sure.
Sometimes you say, guys, please don't mix Antando Duma and Lady Ama. Ngicela ukuthi makayenza into yakhe ayenza into yakhe, and I will do my own thing.
Yeah.
And for that I'm very much grateful, because then if akakwenzanga lokho, it means ngabe ngisancike ngaye, you understand. So uyidlalile indima to show me ukuthi this is how you do things, my babes. This is how you don't, and yeah, that's that.
Then let me ask you this, because Mina, when I first came across the both of you guys were always together. So how much of a change was it for when now to go to H? Now you can't be around, you need to be your own star and shine.
Like I said, when I say it wasn't as difficult, because ubekangifundisa ukuthi noma angasekho eduze kwami, noma retire, ngikwazi ukuthi mayengekho akekho, and mangingiwani, and yeah, it was just not as difficult. Yeah, it was just.
Mina ngibuza because mangekho names nengatatazela kufa ama class kufa ama commercial, yeah, then like that's why I've always said ukuthi I'm not going to do it without him. So Nays, when you had a question?
Yeah, I want to find out from you, with success yahamba Juba.
Yes.
Has it put you under pressure? Maybe manje masongena studio uthi phela
How do I
say this because everywhere we go, our success is always compared to Ngcishe Nafu.
Yes.
And that is actually not our biggest song.
Believe it or not.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that, yes, about Leo question, I love that question.
Yeah.
Because when, first of all, wangibiza ngokuthi ngi one hit wonder.
Huh?
When Naves.
Huh? I'm the one who said you must release
Naves.
No, wait.
Kusho ukuthi jokingly, but when washo game.
I said to her, you must release more music after this. Otherwise, uzoba one hit wonder.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry,
but khona la uke wangibiza khona nge one hit wonder. But hey, Naves, yeah, there's so much pressure, and from my supporters as well. Hey, bayayifaka pressure labantu. If you release any kind of music, bazokutshela ukuthi my sister, sicela ukuthi wenze le ngoma leyana ihamba Juba, you know, similar, something similar to that. So it's very.
I hate that so much. Love, we creative, like whatever comes to you, whatever inspires you is what's coming on the song.
Exactly. So I understand phela but once one hit, it's going to be hit after hit after. But it happens. I think I'm gonna give you one hit now. I'm working on something. I can't wait to share it with you guys.
Can't wait for that.
We're super excited. Now let's talk business, ma'am. You are a lady who stands on that. Tell us more about your lip gloss range. Yazi ukuthi uthini uNaves uthi castor oil lip gloss. So, like, what vision, what is the vision for the brand, and where are you taking it exactly?
Hey, I'm taking it very, very far, and Thank you for asking this question. I am currently rebranding. It's no longer Armor Lips, it's Armor Cosmetics now. That's because I'm adding like so many other stuff, new stuff. I can't wait. I can't share now.
Nice.
But very soon I am dropping new products. So yeah, I'm launching.
Are you
I'm relaunching. Relaunching. I mean what?
Advocate makeup.
I am. Why ngaba ngadayisa lento ngasiyo?
Hey, enemy amashita amhlophe abenhlupha nini?
Ene sibangele inkinga. Aba namahembe wethu.
Masinhaga lapha yana. I know.
Where do we find you on the socials?
On Instagram is Lady Ama _1. On TikTok, Lady Ama _RSA.
Yeah.
On Facebook, Lady Ama 1. And on Twitter is Lady Ama 1.
You still on Twitter? Yo.
Once in a while.
Kuthi wena labantu laba abakuhluphi.
Abangihluphi. Angithi angihluphi umuntu mara mina.
Awuhluphi umuntu.
Uhlupha thina nje. Simile la studio sihlupha.
Awuhluphi umuntu.
No, Naves.
So
yazi your name.
Usingile?
No.
No, Naves. She's not single, and she's about to drop a single.
Yes. No, I'm not single, Naves.
Mara awuhluphi umuntu.
No.
Wayibona wena into enjalo. Wayibona.
When it comes to Naves. Gee whiz. Okay.